everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is waffle day. I am going to show you how to take these. They are Martha White's muffin mixes and turn them into waffles. My daughter loves these for breakfast and she doesn't always like the muffins, so I found a recipe to turn them into waffles. And we have this little guy here. He is an individual waffle maker. They fit perfect into the toaster to heat them up in the morning, and it's so nice because my daughter can feel a little independent in making her own breakfast. All she has to do is put it in the toaster and it's ready to eat. So let's get started and I will show you how to make delicious waffles. For this video, we're going to be using the apple cider muffin mix. But first we need to, I like to add my egg first because I use our chicken eggs and I don't want to crack a bad egg into my muffin mix because that's disgusting. So we crack our egg first, get it in there. So one egg, then our muffin mix. And then we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of milk. And that is it. That's all the ingredients we are using. I'm in my basement kitchen, so I don't have a whisk down here, so I'm just going to use a spoon, which is fine. Mix this up really well. And then I like to let it sit for a couple of minutes while my waffle maker heats up. With a hot waffle iron, woo, smoke. Take some cooking spray. I do a squirt or two on the bottom and the top. And then you don't want to overfill these because they will squirt out the sides and it makes quite the mess. But ladle some of your waffle mix on here. And then close the lid and let it cook. Once the light has gone off, take a spatula or take a fork, something to get under these and lift them up with. Whenever I pull my waffles off of the iron, I always lay them on a cookie sheet to cool off. So you guys, for $1.29, I was able to get enough of these waffles for my daughter to have breakfast for 4 days. And they are great paired with a fresh banana, fresh fruit, cut up apples, however you serve breakfast. It's very easy, very affordable, and there are so many different flavors. Apple cider, which is what we used. Strawberry, chocolate chip, and I know they have blueberry as well. But either eat these within a couple of days or freeze them, and like I said, great, just popped into the toaster even from a frozen state, and great breakfast option and a lot cheaper than what you buy commercially in the freezer section. So give this a try, let me know what you think, and I hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless, and have a great day.